When you have to play parts that are arranged and are written on computer, like especially nowadays, you always kind of face these, let's say, trap, hip hop beats. You can do like that type of beat, also like with like real and acoustic drums. So I usually start like learning the main groove, and then I'm trying to add like that trap hip hop vibe using a lot of stacks, of course, and just to replace that hi-hat rolls, like 32 notes, 64 notes, and stuff like that. So let's start from a groove. Once you start like locking with the main groove, and I just played random groove, so it just came out of my ad. Once you start like feeling comfortable with the groove, you can just try to move accent with the start with open hi-hat, for example. So if you start like moving this accent, like as you can hear, it changed everything, like the vibe of the beat. And especially like in trap and hip hop stuff, if you start adding like hi-hat rolls, yeah, it's basically well, you gotta start like with a slow metronome, and yeah, trying to add some rolls or if you are learning a song, you just gotta spot where the hi-hat rolls are, and then trying to replace them and play like with the same like consistency and the same like note dynamic on the real hi-hat. So it's just a matter of like practice and having fun with these rolls. So have fun.